Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards, pwwcards.com. We're getting ready to do a basketball mixer break, 2017-18 Supreme Hardcourt with Select basketball. We're doing 4 boxes of Select, 1 box of Supreme, makes it a 5-box mixer. So we will do the Supreme last, just because it has the big hits in it. So we'll put that over there for now, and then we actually have a fresh. Whoa, let me lay that down. We have a fresh case of Select. You can see here we're going to take 4 boxes out of this case, and then we have another basketball mixer tomorrow with 4 more boxes out of this case with Super Break, if you're familiar with Super Break products. But thanks for getting the break, appreciate it. As always, if you would like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, and or a magnetic case, a one-touch for any of your hits, you can get those at pwwcards.com. That's our website, pwwcards.com. So we're going to take 4 boxes. Let's just do 4 from the left. How about that? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Like I said, we'll get 4 more tomorrow. Basketball mixer we're having. So here are our boxes. Let me kind of set this up behind it. Put this down a little bit. All right, guys. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Box number 1 of Select. Close enough, right? Hoping for some nice hits in the Select and the Supreme Hardcourt. Maybe get some zebra parallels. Alrighty. Box number 1, here we go. Good luck. First up, we have a Reggie Jackson in-flight signatures for Detroit. Reggie Jackson for Detroit. That would be Julian H. Congratulations on that auto. That's numbered 120 out of 149, going out to the Pistons. So first hit coming out fast. Sean Kilpatrick. Then a Frank the Tank Blue Phenomenal Phenoms. Not numbered, but still nice parallel there. Kevin Love with a little prism action there. Okay, come on. Tom Mitchell. Mike Muscala. C.D. Osman rookie. Then a Lonzo Ball silver rookie going out to the Lakers. Then a Kawhi Leonard red die cut going out to the Spurs. San Antonio. Congrats on that one. That's numbered 85 out of 135. Dummy card. Then a red Jonas Valanciunas for the Raptors, numbered to 199. A blue Victor Oladipo for the Pacers. That's numbered to 299. Alonzo Ball rookie. Then we have a Dejounte Murray purple X Factor memorabilia. That one is numbered 50 to 99. San Antonio's Julian H as well. Congrats. We're marking in Manu Ginobili silver. And then another Kawhi Leonard. This is a purple die cut. Kawhi Leonard. That one's number 95 out of 99. So going to the Spurs. Spurs are having this is a Spurs box pretty much. Donovan Mitchell with the spiral parallel. And then a Chris Middleton for the Bucks auto relic. Chris Middleton for the Milwaukee Bucks. Milwaukee is Dustin M. That one is numbered 67 out of 99. Oops. How about a Kyle Kuzma X Factor Phenomenal Phenoms? That one's numbered 7 out of 10. Nice. Going out to the Lakers. Cody M. That's a pretty cool card. Jonathan Simmons silver. And that does it for box number 1. So, man, we had a nice little gamut of inserts there. All right, there we go. Box 2. Vince Carter with that white parallel for Sacramento. That's numbered to 149. DJ Wilson, rookie parallel. Then a Etwan Moore for the Pelicans, red die cut. 91 out of 135 for New Orleans. Lou Williams on that spiral. Then we have an OG Anunoby rookie auto relic going out to Toronto. And Guy C. Congratulations, Guy. It's coming to you, numbered 67 out of 199. Weird. Marking in Jarrett Allen, silver rookie. Wesley Iwundu, silver rookie. Jonathan Simmons. Mari Carroll with the blue die cut for the Nets. It's numbered 84 out of 185. All right. First part of box 2. Jason Tatum with the green die cut for the Celtics. Nice hit there. Numbered 4 of 5. Nice. Going out to Boston and Dustin. Congratulations on that. There's a Jalen Jones. Donovan Mitchell. How about a Markelle Fultz rookie? Slash and dash Magic Johnson. And it's Cantor blue for the Knicks, numbered to 299. Then we have a DJ Wilson rookie auto relic going out to the Milwaukee Bucks. Milwaukee is Dustin M. Congratulations, Dustin. It's numbered 18 out of 199. Nikola Mirotic, silver. Then we have a Gordon Hayward single color swatch going out to the Boston Celtics. Let's see if we can get that. It's like it doesn't want to pick it up without giving a big reflection there, but there we go. Boston, Dustin M. Congrats. Not numbered. And that does it for box number 2. Not a bad box. Got some nice die cut action. What was that one over here? Big old thickie there. Wonder what we got. Box 3. All right, box 3 coming at you. Dummy card. Then a Gary Harris red for the Nuggets, numbered to 199. Sam Adebayo, silver rookie. Then a Willie Hernangomez, phenomenal phenoms blue for the Knicks. Dante Exum, silver. Tyler Ennis, swirly. Al-Farouq Aminu, that parallel. Markelle Fultz, rookie. Then we have a Mario Hezonja two-color relic, purple parallel, going out to Orlando. Dustin M. That's number 96 out of 99. Then a Zhao Kui with the tie-dye die cut, number 22 out of 25 for the Rockets. Houston is also Dustin M. So another nice die cut for you. Rookie tie-dyed. All right. Stack number 2. Nikola Jokic swirly. And then, how about that? A Damian Lillard tie-dyed two-color patch auto. Boom, there you go for Portland. Portland Trailblazers, very nice. Guy C, congratulations, Guy, on that Damian Lillard tie-dyed auto patch. 17 out of 25 on that. Very nice. Prime patch action. Kyrie silver. Then a DeMar Carroll green die cut, 51 out of 65, going out to Brooklyn. Tyler Ennis silver. John Lure, I guess. Parallel. Ooh, there is a nice, is that tie-dyed or just crazy colored? Kemba Walker, X-Fractor, 24 out of 75 going out to the Hornets. Congrats on that one. All kinds of color coming out in these parallels tonight. Then we have a Malik Monk X-Factor memorabilia purple going out to Charlotte. The Hornets would be Kyle E. Congratulations, Kyle. That's numbered 29 out of 99. And there you go for box 3. All right, box number 4. Last box to select before we move on to that Upper Deck Supreme Hard Court, which I know everyone's waiting around for. Sticking. Oh, we got some points. Everyone's favorite. All right, box 4. Good luck, everybody. DeMar DeRozan, parallel. Trevor Booker, parallel. De'Aaron Fox. For the Jazz, Trey Lyles, throwback memorabilia. Got purple parallel there for Utah. Martin A. Congratulations, Martin. That's numbered 78 of 99. Noah Vonleh for the Trailblazers, blue die cut going out to Portland. That dude. Bojan Bogdanovic, silver. LeBron James, silver. Haven't seen too many of those. James Harden, red, numbered to 199. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, silver. Then a Jason Tatum, silver. Very nice for the Celtics. About a Rudy Gay X-Fractor, 46 of 49, going out to the San Antonio Spurs. Let me flip that over. 900 points. We'll random that one off at the end. Got a Jalen Jones, rookie spiral. Dante Exum blue, numbered to 299 for the Jazz. Jaylen Brown silver. Then in all world, Andrew Wiggins for the T-Wolves, not numbered. Then we have a draft selections 2017 NBA draft, Jonathan Isaac. 2-color swatch, 84 out of 99, going out to Orlando, Dustin M. And that does it for the select boxes. So we saw that 900 points. That was one of our hits. We'll random that one off at the end, but let's go ahead and get to this Upper Deck Supreme Hard Court box. Box number 5 of our 5-box mixer. There's the seal. exactly stay on the camera, is it? All right, box number 1. See who it is. It is a Dennis Rodman, 9 of 10, going out to the Detroit Pistons. So Dennis Rodman, Detroit Pistons, 9 of 10. That's Julian H. Congratulations, Julian. Let's put that back in the box and ship it to you like that because I don't want to mess with that at all. Box number 2. All right, come on. It is, look at that. 88 of 99, Vince Carter, NBA autographs for the Toronto Raptors. That's a throwback back to the day, right? Vince Carter, Supreme Hardcourt, 88 of 99, going out to Toronto. And Guy C, congratulations on that one. Here's your authentication there. Pretty sick. 88 of 99 with a 15 inscription there on the auto. On-court auto from the wood. Very nice. And that is the break, guys. Thanks, everybody, for getting the break. We'll get these sorted and shipped out. We do have that one random to do, so let's go ahead and get that rolling. Okay. Get my list randomizer here. All right, first we're going to roll the dice to see how many times we're going to run the randomizer. The only thing we don't take here is snake eyes. 10 times on the randomizer. 10 times. So let me get all the spots here. Washington up to Atlanta. All right, guys. Again, 10 times on the randomizer. After 10 times, whatever team is on top gets the 900 points. So good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Going out to the Atlanta Hawks. Amanda W. Atlanta Hawks getting the 900 points. We'll get those sorted and shipped out. Thanks again for breaking with us. We look forward to breaking again with you soon. Be sure to check out that Super Break Select break tomorrow night. 7-box break. We'll get that rolling. So thanks a lot for breaking with us. Have a good night. Peace.